Hey everybody, here at the Bashakil in Wurtsboro, New York in my kayak, and I want to show you some of the smallest plants in the world. Certainly the smallest flowering plants or angiosperms in the world. Take a look at this. A lot of times when people see these, they think they're looking at algae. If you look out across the water, these are actually duckweeds. These are each little individual plants, and they are native plants. They reproduce quite readily. They're referred to as duckweeds because the waterfowl eat them. It's an important food source. In fact, some people are looking into cultivating these for human consumption. They're so small, but they really reproduce quickly. But these are actually more than one species. So take a look at this. If you look at these larger round ones, and I want to give you a little sense of scale by putting my finger here. Look how small they are. These round ones are actually the big ones. These are Spirodella species, sometimes referred to as greater duckweed, and fairly easy to identify because they're very purple underneath, as you can see, and they're larger and rounder. Now if you look very carefully, you might see some lemna species. Those are the duckweed species, lesser duckweed. Take a look. If you see, like right there, they have smaller and much narrower leaves. And those are lemna species. And then there's a third genus, or actually a couple of genera, of Wolfia or Wolfiella species, sometimes called water flaxseed, that honestly, you're not going to even know what you're looking at here. They're going to look like tiny little green specks. And in fact, it's only under a microscope you can get a sense, or at least a loupe, but certainly even better a microscope, that you can get a sense of them. And they are the smallest angiosperms, the smallest flowering plants in the world. And these just float around the water. They're not rooted at all. You can see there's a current and a wind now. You might hear that in the video I'm recording. They're just moving along, doing their thing. Quite remarkable little plants. In case you were curious, the largest angiosperm in the world are eucalyptus trees, native to Tasmania and Australia, unless you count the clonal colonies of poplars and that kind of thing. Anyway, I'm not getting into that debate right now, but I just wanted to share these delightful little plants with all of you.